Racing just is started. We have Boss G. Break quickly at a start, running by the rail Casino Sharp. Then followed now by number 8 Bullet Gray. Down on the inside is Pangarap. Wild Talk in the middle. Sweet Felicia. Lyra second last, while Rocking Hill is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch. We have Casino Sharp. Boss G is on the outside. Then 2 lengths back. In third comes Pangarap, then followed now by Lyra, and on the outside is Wild Talk, then comes Rocking Hill, then followed now by Bullet Gray, while Sweet Felicia now racing in last. Inside at Tres Octavo, we have Casino Sharp, Pangarap in second, Boss G now in third, down and fourth now is Wild Talk, and on the outside is Lyra. Rocking Hill is running by the rail, Bullet Gray, while Sweet Felicia is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Casino Sharp by a length. Pangarap, Boss G moving up. Rocking Hill, Lyra comes next. Wild Talk, Bullet Gray, while Sweet Felicia is still racing in last 100 meters. It's now Pangarap. Casino Sharp is running by the rail. Pangarap, Casino Sharp, and finally it's going to be Pangarap, Casino Sharp, Boss G. Then comes Lyra, Rocking Hill, Wild Talk.
For our race number 3, our artificial winner, entry number 2, that's Pangarap. Darandahan ni si Aspare Jr. Makikita natin, Panegundo dito. Numero 6, Casino Sharp. Then 7, Boss G. Panorin natin, replay for this race 3.